Hi everyone, it's Dory and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking and reviewing the Everyplate Firehouse Mac&Cheese. This is one that I have not tried yet, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is bring a pot of water and some salt to a boil. Now we're going to chop up our onions. The directions say to make sure that the whites are separated from the greens. So we're going to make sure that we do that. So now I have my whites separated from the greens. I have my water boiling now, so I'm just going to pour that right in. Gonna stir a little bit of, or drizzle a little bit of oil. Turn the stove on to about medium to start. I'm gonna put just the whites in here and save the greens to sprinkle. And I'll adjust the settings of the stove as I go. Okay, so I microwaved 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. And now we're supposed to mix up this Frank's Red Hot seasoning and the panko crumbs. Now I'm gonna go check on our onions and macaroni. So now I'm gonna add some garlic. I add my garlic a little bit later so that it doesn't get burnt, because garlic tends to cook a lot faster than onions do. Okay, so I've set my veggies aside. It did come with a green pepper, not a green bell pepper, but a regular green pepper, and I've omitted that from the ingredients because I'm just not a big fan of green peppers. So I just used the green onions and the garlic. So let's get started with the sauce. Going to put our butter in. And I'm just using the same pan that I used for the veggies. Get that butter nice and melted. couple of burnt pieces floating around. Tablespoon of flour. Stir that together. Add the milk. We're going to bring this to a simmer and let it thicken up a bit. I'm going to add in my cheese. It comes with cheddar cheese and pepper jack. I'm going to stir it together until it's a sauce. Add just a little bit of salt. I did a taste test. It's already plenty salty with all of that cheese in it. Add a little bit of water to loosen it up some, because it's a little bit on the thick side. Going to add our macaroni. And our onions and garlic. Stir it up. Okay. Now I need to turn on my broiler and transfer this to an oven-safe casserole dish, because this pan that I'm using cannot go in the oven. Okay, so now I need to sprinkle the macaroni with the crumbs. And it'll go in the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. Just pulled it out of the oven. This is the finished product. You can hear my air conditioner going in the background because it started getting pretty hot in here, so I had to crank that up. So let's give it a try. Okay, so here we have the end result. I'm going to give it a taste. Yeah, that turned out really good. You can definitely taste a hint of the Frank's Red Hot taste, like the Frank's Red Hot flavor to it, but it's not overpowering. It has the crunchy panko breadcrumbs, and as you can see, I sprinkled a little bit of the green onion on it. Very cheesy. I would definitely order this meal again. So that wraps it up. My review and opinion of the Everyplate Firehouse Mac&Cheese. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see any upcoming videos of my reviews on cookbooks, meal kits, anything that has to do with food. And hit the like button if you like this. Have a good one, everyone.